Hello, I thought I'd give you a shot of my homemade auger. Remember, this is Ed's Metalworks, but we're digging in the dirt today. I'll show you what we got going. We are digging a trench to that downspout right there, but I got to go under the sidewalk, hence the homemade auger. We got it in the hole right now. I went a little ways because the neighbor was running his leaf blower, and I didn't know how much that noise would pick up on this camera, but we'll give her a shot and I'll show you what happened here. If I can get you set up. Alrighty. Oop. Seems to pull it out okay. And keep going here. All right, we'll clear out the hole here a little bit. All right, we'll go a little more. Sorry guys, I lost you for a minute. I keep falling in and out of this ditch. Alrighty. Alrighty, you kind of get the picture. I'll get you set up on the other side, and when I'm about to break through, we'll see what happens. Alrighty guys, we're poking through here. Whoa, what a chore. Alrighty, we made it. See if I can slide that pipe underneath there. Some of this dirt out of here. All right, I'm gonna take you upside down and look in this hole so I can see. Can we see daylight? You guys see daylight down there? All right, I gotta go cap for the, I'll get a cap for the end of this pipe so I don't fill it full of dirt shoving it through there, and we'll be back in a minute. Alrighty, here we are with our gutter drain project. We got this in finished up, all glued together. What we're gonna do is we'll cut this gray gutter off even with the siding, or the end of the siding here, and we'll just run white up here. I thought it would blend more into like the foundation, the white foundation, rather than having that little notch of gray down there. The people that did the siding, they kind of did that on the up there. They run that white elbow to kind of match with the eaves, so we're going to do that down here too. But anyway, we got good slope on it out here. Grab the level, put on here. And 6 foot, we're a couple inches almost. It ought to drain out of there really good. So what we're doing down here at the end, of course, we got our last little section of pipe here and a 90 that goes on there. And then we got our pop-up valve emitter. Go on here, ground level. But anyway, what I did is I put a little basin in there, and I'm going to fill it with this pea gravel, and I drilled some holes in the bottom of this 90 so that any water that, you know, if it ain't enough rain to come out the pop off, it'll at least drain itself out down into this little basin I built. And I'll cover that with a piece of landscape fabric. But I'll get you set up here and we'll finish this out. All but the dirt work anyway. more pea gravel, that'll be enough. Set the landscape fabric down here. Alright, let's glue. Let's glue this last section of pipe on here. Using regular clear PVC cement and the purple primer. Get this 90 glued on here. Sure I get the right end of the 90. No clocking required here. We can do that at the other joint. Let's go get our other one primed and glued together. I don't know. I was told the purple primer works better around the dirt applications. I don't know if it makes a difference or not, but that's what I was told once upon a time, and I'm no expert on it. This is just a drain line. It's not like it's carrying waste of any kind, so. You have a second or two to work with this stuff after you slide it together, so that always helps. Alrighty, last piece of the puzzle. Let's slide it in there, see what happens. my emitter. Might have to scrounge a little bit of that gravel out from underneath there. Oh no, looks like we're in good shape for height. Well, that's it, everyone. Like I said, I used my homemade auger here to go underneath the sidewalk up there, and I also used it to dig this basin. I loosened up the dirt and then I scooped it out with a post hole digger, but that looks like it. We're gonna start throwing dirt on this and show you the finished product. Well, here we are, the finished product. I did some watering, but my pop-up valve is right there. Got a little mud on top of it. Goes back to the house, connects to the downspout. We got a clean out spot I capped. We cut the gray off to almost even with the siding so that it kind of blends in with the white foundation. But got her all filled in. Now we'll wait for a good rain, see what happens here. Like I said, I had a good fall in the pipe all the way out there. It's about 25 feet to the pop-up valve. But anyway, that's one project in the record books. I want to thank you guys for joining along on this out of the shop Ed's Metal Works project. The auger that we made to go under this sidewalk right here did its job. We'll have to put it on the shelf and maybe have to use it for something else again. But anyway, thanks a lot for joining along. Like and subscribe if you will, and share it with a friend, and I hope you got a little something out of this video. I'm no expert on this, but we winged it in there anyway. Thanks a lot. We'll catch you on the next one.